Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. Till now we have learned lot about Microsoft Word. We have learned inserting text to your document. We have learned how to increase size of your font, how to set various styles to your font, how you can set color and highlight your text. We have also seen some paragraph option, creating bullet list and number list. We have also seen some styles, how you can apply styles to your text, how you can find particular content in your Word document, and how you can replace particular content with some another content. We have also seen this insert menu, in which we have seen tables, how you can insert picture or graphics from your computer or internet. We have also seen how you can add plugins to your Microsoft Online Office, and some links, comments, headers and footers. But now it's time to see more important and more advanced feature of Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about margins. First, what is margin? As name suggests, margin is a space you can specify to your document. For example, you want certain amount of space between your document start and your text start or your content start. Then you can do it with using margin. You can specify 4 type of margin: top margin, right margin, left margin and bottom margin. So let's see how you can specify margin in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word provides different kind of margin. It provides different templates which have already margin specified, like normal margin, narrow margin, which will have less size of margin on each part, moderate margin, a wide margin, which will have more margin but less content, and it provides Office 2003 default margin. Here you can see how much margin on each side. Like normal template have 2.54 cm on top, on bottom it will have 2.54 cm. Likewise, left and right will have also 2.54 cm. But in different template it will have different margin. You can also set your custom margin. Microsoft Word provides this custom margin option by which you can set your custom margin. So let's see how you can set custom margin to your Microsoft Word. Click on to this custom margin option and it will open up one pop-up where you can specify your margins. So I'm setting my top margin to 1.5, bottom to 1.5, left to 2 and right to 2. After defining your margin, just click on to this OK button. If you don't want to apply this margin to your document, then you can click on to this close button, or you can simply just cancel it. I am clicking on to this OK button and I want to apply this margin to my document. So as soon as you click on to this OK button, margin will be applied to your document. Margin is mostly used when you want to format your document. So this is about margin and use of margin. Thank you very much.